Hey Queens, it's your girl Coach Twy, and today we're stepping into a real life fairy tale, the one and only Dubai Miracle Garden. If you've ever dreamed of being surrounded by millions and millions of flowers in the middle of the dang on desert, this is the place that will snatch your breath away. And guess what? It's season 14. Like, I can't even believe they break these down into seasons, but this is season 14. And it's bringing brand new vibes, new designs, and even some high tech magic. So, girl, let's get into it. But before I tell you what's new, let me give you the tea. The Miracle Garden first opened on Valentine's Day way back in 2013. That was really just 12 years ago. So, it's relatively new. The garden isn't just about flowers, it's about innovation, it's about tourism, and showing the world what's possible when you dare to dream big. And you know, Dubai is all about daring to dream and execute big. They're always trying to impress, and I love it. So, now let's talk about what's hot and fresh. So apparently there's some new themes with enchanting floral structures, larger than life sculptures that we've never seen. Hell, we haven't seen any of them before. So it's all gonna be new to us. They're gonna be mixing art with flowers and technology. Some even change throughout the day, I'm told. So they've added some shaded seating. Girl, yes, because it's hot in Dubai. It is hot, hot, hot. So we needed additional shaded seating and some upgraded food kiosks so we can keep the eats going. And don't worry, they say the classics are there. So what are the classics? That huge airplane full of flowers. I mean, apparently it broke a Guinness World Record for how huge it is. So I can't wait to see that. And then there's this famous heart-shaped arches. All the hearts. I've shown you pictures of those. Perfect for our IG shots. There's some cute walkways with umbrellas that line the path. There's a Smurfs Village. It's cute. With little mushroom houses, record breaking floral sculptures all throughout. I mean, I feel like we just gonna be in awe the whole time we're there because how about the Miracle Garden spread 72,000 square meters? Girl, that's like 12 football fields. That's crazy. 150 million flowers blooming in one spot. Wow! It literally makes it the world's largest natural flower garden. Literally. No wonder it's in the Guinness Book. So I know how you wonder, like, how is this even possible? Girl, they get flowers from all around the world, not just in Dubai, because Dubai is right the desert. So where are all these flowers coming from? All over the world, with nurseries and greenhouses in Dubai, right? So they recycle wastewater from the sea, they clean it, and they reuse it to keep the garden fresh. So that's about 750,000 liters of water every dang on day. But it's recycled, right? And it's all carefully managed to keep the blooms alive. So let me break this down. Some things that we need to make sure we see when we are there. I want to go to Disney Avenue. Apparently, there's giant flower versions with Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends. You want us to go to Disney Avenue. You want to see the floral clock. It's an actual clock, but it's made of flowers. I want to see the butterfly garden. 9 domes filled with thousands of butterflies. Totally want to see that. I want to see Smurfs Village, the Heart Tunnel, of course, the Umbrella Passage, of course. Perfect, perfect, perfect for all the selfies we're gonna be out here taking, sis. So we gotta get it done. How about the season opens the day we arrive? Like it has been closed from May all the way up into September 28th, but it opens the day that we depart. I am so excited that it's going to be open and we get to experience it together. So ladies, drop me a comment if you plan on joining us for the Miracle Garden and if you're interested in professional pictures while you are there. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video just so that you can let the folks know what we are doing while we are in Dubai. Until next time, ladies, stay fit, fine, and fabulous.